stand from the base of the pole. I want to have my hip on one side and my shoulder on the other side, on a line behind the pole. If you're flexible, you might want to move a bit more away from the pole, but don't be too far away. My arm would be reaching out, palm facing up. Or I can put it like this, in a kind of a chicken wingy position, like a triangle, or more of a 90-degree triangle. Both are good, so use the one you prefer. Might be easier at the beginning to have my arms straight, palm facing up. Let's start with a straight leg tabletop, placing my shoulder on the floor. Now I kept my arm long and straight, palm facing up. I'm using my shoulder blades to push straight down to the floor with my elbow. So I'm pushing through my shoulder blades, getting that point of contact very active. So see, my head is not on the floor. I can rest the top of my head, but I don't want to be all over my face. This might create some tension in your neck, and tomorrow morning you're gonna feel like some weird soreness. We don't want that. So we're using our shoulder to push down. I'm gonna take my inside leg, or my front leg, move it up as high as I can. I have top grip, so I can pull and push if I need to. And now I'm just going to lift the other leg up. See, I'm not moving my foot away. I'm pushing down to lift, to try to get my tailbone over my shoulder. And this is where I'll be able to balance. Let's see from another point of view. I'm going to see now what's going in my back. That's where most of the work is. So I can have my hand like this or like this. I'm moving my leg up and then pushing my tailbone over my shoulder. And coming down. I actually want to push my tailbone right in line, in a vertical line above the shoulder that's pushing on the floor. See this shoulder? I want to take my tailbone and push it straight over. See, my head is still moving. I can remove it from the floor. Come back slowly. If you want to come back without those micro fall like this, you need to put first more effort into the floor, and second, you need to keep some energy from where you're coming from. If I want to come down, I'm pushing to the floor, but this leg is still reaching away. It's still reaching away so that I can slowly come down, avoiding those micro falls. So you want to, keep control of your way down as much as your way up. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.